Hello, I'm Bill Harrison, and when I discovered the power carver and began to work with it, I could see I was going to have to make something that made it easier and less tiring to work. So I came up with and I built what I call an anti-fatigue power carving workstation. And I thought I would share it with you because I'm sure I'm not the only one that gets tired working bent over a project for long periods of time. I think this may be one answer to that. This is a photo of the workstation in the full upright position. It does have multiple positions and it can be adjusted very easily from position to position depending on just where you are the most comfortable at work. This photo shows a ledge at the bottom that holds a project that does not require the piece you're working on to be rotated, but yet it can be tilted using the station. I think one important feature of this station is the turntable and the ability to lock the turntable in a position. With this finger screw, you can lock and unlock the turntable with ease. There are a number of spots around the turntable that make it easy to rotate the table to get it positioned just where you want it. Again, lock or unlock in position if needed. With this set of clamps that will adjust up and down the turntable, you can handle almost anything you want to work on. Being in the full upright position, there is a concern, and I'm sure you are thinking everything will slide off and crash to the floor. But I came up with a solution to that problem. It was so easy and simple. Double-sided tape. All you need is a few pieces on the back side of the project, and it will stick to the turntable and hold snug and tight throughout your power carving. And then it's easily removed when you are done. I am sure that most all carvers have one of these visors, but getting up close, focusing on what you're doing causes fatigue with the neck and the shoulders, because seeing what you're doing does cause you to twist, turn, and lean in a way that is not natural and not sitting in a relaxed position. That in itself does not allow you to work as long as you would like, and of course age does not make using this visor any better. I like to use this mask. There is a reason I like to use it better. I wear glasses, and the other mask seems to steam up my glasses from my breath because the mask does not seal really good around my nose. The air blows straight out on this mask. The problem solved. This magnifying glass seems to be much more versatile and makes the work go faster with less strain. You can see the piece really well, and because there is a light built into the magnifying glass, the light moves with the magnifying glass wherever you move on the carving. And if you want more magnification, just pull the glass closer to yourself. Again, you move the workstation and the magnifying glass to the place that is the most comfortable for your work. And when you are comfortable, you can work longer and get these pieces turned out faster. After securing a piece for carving with the clamps, the magnifying glass works quite well with the clamped pieces. Now the part I promised that makes the workstation really anti-fatigue. The arm and hand stabilizing bar. This is an attachment that gives the hand a place to rest on the bar. With it, the carver can work for longer periods of time. And if your hand is a little shaky, it helps with that as well. Younger people will not have that problem yet, but they will catch up with the seasoned carver one day. Again, the workstation can be set low or raised to the full upright position, and with the bar in place, As you can see, the bar can be placed anywhere on the workstation and can be adjusted up or down, close or extended, wherever it works best for you and where you are the most comfortable. And of course, because the magnifying glass is so mobile, it can be used over the top of the bar. When you finally decide to go to bed, or you need to leave for the weekend, you can just fold the workstation down, slide it out of the way, and it will be ready for you to continue when you return. Since I posted my video on the anti-fatigue workstation on YouTube, I have had a lot of positive input from the people who use the Power Carver. So I am thinking it's not just beneficial to me, but could be beneficial to most everyone that carves. With that in mind, I broke down the workstation and made a detailed video on the parts and the way to assemble the station. I have put that video on a CD for those that have an interest in building their own workstation. To get the CD, email me and I will let you know how you can get a copy of that CD. Please put the word workstation in the subject line on the email. I also know that not everyone has the tools and equipment to make this workstation. But with these plans, most any local woodworker can make one for you. I'll bet there is a woodworker just down the street from you, just waiting to hear from you. Because I believe this is something that will help all those that have the same interest that I have in the hobby, I will make this offer to the folks who would want one made. I will take orders for workstations. But remember, I'm an old man. I am not as fast as I used to be. The workstations are custom and handmade. I will make them as I get the order for them. Please know I work at my own pace. If you can be patient, I will be pleased to get you a station as quickly as I can. Again, just email me to get the information. Thank you for watching. Until we meet again, my friend.